Gas gangrene, also called as myonecrosis, occurs in anaerobic environment. Anaerobic environment is environment where there is lack of oxygen. In human body, an anaerobic environment occurs due to decreased blood supply to particular part of body. Meaning of gas gangrene: bacterial infection that causes gas in gangrene. Causative organism is Clostridium perfringens bacteria. Incubation period is of 1 to 2 days. Risk factors of gas gangrene: diabetes. In diabetes, there will be increased blood glucose level, and this increased blood glucose level will damage blood vessels, hence interrupt blood flow. Arterial disease. In arterial disease, there will be either hardening of artery, narrowing of artery, or formation of blood clot in artery, which will interrupt in flow of blood. Obesity. In obesity, due to increased weight, there will be stress imposed on blood vessels, which will prevent from blood flow. Immune suppression. Due to lack of immunity, person's ability to fight against disease decreases. Causes: poor wound hygiene, use of unsterile article, contact with contaminated linen and soil. Open wound, ischemic wound. Pathophysiology. Due to etiological factors, bacteria will gain entry inside wound, multiplies there, and start fermenting the carbohydrate present inside tissue. While fermenting, they produce toxins and gas which will destroy tissue, and local signs and symptoms appear. Signs and symptoms: local fever, pain in the area around wound, pale skin that quickly turns red, grey or purple, hair under skin, blisters with foul smell and discharge. Skin feels cold on touch. Systemic signs: excessive sweating, increased heart rate, vomiting. Complications: septicemia, renal failure, liver failure, respiratory failure, death. Diagnosis: by observing signs and symptoms, proper physical examination, X-ray, CT scan, MRI, blood investigation for CBC, WBC blood culture, skin and discharge culture from wound. Management: medical management includes antibiotic like penicillin, cephalosporin, analgesic for pain, antipyretic for fever. Surgical management include amputation of affected part. Prevention: clean wound thoroughly, remove dead tissue, foreign object from wound, avoid contaminated material.